हाय दोस्तों, मेरा नाम संदीप कुमार रेड्डी फ्रॉम इंजीनियर्स कॉम्पिटिटिव ट्रेनिंग एकेडमी। आज मैं आप लोगों को देयर इज़ अ टेम्पल इन Karnataka that name is Murudeshwar. As you can see from here, we have to come from the ground floor to up to the left. We have to use the left, and from there, it's the 18th floor actually. You can see the up below. It is a topmost place from where we can see the good view of it, and this is the place from where we can see the maximum view of Lord Shiva. So as you can see how exactly it looks like. So this is the place of Lord Shiva. You can see all around the corner of the place, and all around, as you can see here down below, there is a whole park as well as the visiting place as well as Nandi. So this is the place, the whole building. You can see in front of the building we can make these kind of structure and monument, and you can see down below how exactly it looks like. So this is the seashore on the western coast of India. The place is Murudeshwara temple. Here this is the one where exactly you have to come up to the 18th floor. You have a lift facility, and you will have to pay only 10 rupees for the each person. From here again you have the left side. We have from the Gali Gopuram. There is a place, as you can see how exactly it looks like. So this is the what a scenery you can see here. This is the west coast of India. So this is the place. So from here you can see maximum view. So you have been bounded by the small grills, and we have here the famous place of, as you can see, one is towards west, and now we are going to the east, guys. I hope this video, whatever we are recording, you have been watching this, guys. So one of the finest place in Karnataka. This is the highest statue from Karnataka. You can see here how exactly it looks to the east. See how exactly it looks. So this is the east side, guys. So that side is again west side. So you can see here how exactly it looks like. So you have a down below steps. So whole near about 18 floors for emergency use only. So this place is one of the marvelous, guys. And as we are aware, this is my family, this is my sister. We are having a small fun in Murudeshwara temple of Lord Shiva. So see, guys, so this is my Alludu Diyanj. So this is the best one. If you ask me, one of the best place where you can have a good visit of near about, it takes there is a timing for the temple. One of the best thing, the timing is morning from 6 o'clock to 1 o'clock, and followed by the afternoon as well. So the best place, guys. Don't worry, and I hope this trip will help you a lot. So maximum videos from Goa as well as Mangalore has been covered. So thank you, guys. Have a good day. Have a great life.